Will eVTOLs replace helicopters in New York? Joby Aviation recently conducted an exhibition flight of its air taxi in New York City. The flight, which took place from the Downtown Heliport in Manhattan, represents the first instance of Joby Aviation operating its eVTOL in an urban environment like New York. This event coincides with New York City Mayor Eric Adams' announcement regarding plans to electrify the Downtown Heliport, part of a broader initiative to support cleaner and quieter air travel solutions.